Why does my cruise control have a mind of its own? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. Every now and then I like to share just kind of some unusual problems that we might see in the shop. And so we had a mid-2000s Toyota 4Runner come in, and with the cruise control on, it would be beautiful, and then all of a sudden, vroom, and then it'd slow back down, and then sometimes it would even turn completely off. So what I ended up tracing it down to was basically a problem with the connection that was changing the speed signal. So the computer thought that the vehicle speed was changing when it really wasn't, and so then it was trying to adjust the cruise control. The importance on here is somebody had done a repair with the type of wiring connections that you just pinch over a wire. And that does not make a good connection. So when they went over a bump, sometimes that got loose. So I did a proper wire connection repair. That intermittent issue went away, and now the cruise control works wonderfully. So just some fun little stuff that we see on occasion. Hope this has been interesting to you. Till next time, safe travels and blessings to you.